Oh my God, this looks so good. Look at that cheese. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. Nachos. I love nachos. I love huge sheet pans. I love them piled up with like cheese sauce and shredded cheese. Like, give me all the cheesy goodness, please and thank you. But most of the recipes out there make huge quantities, enough for like at least 8 people. And sometimes you're having a party of 2. Like right now, it's just Keith and I hanging out, and making a huge serving of nachos for the 2 of us, it's just a bit excessive. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a nacho recipe that's fantastic when you're hosting a party for 2. Let's do it. We're gonna start with some chips onto a parchment-lined quarter sheet pan. I love quarter sheet pans. And we're gonna top them with about half of our cheese. And then we're gonna mix together some refried beans, Michelle, with about a 1/4 cup of salsa. Use whatever salsa you want. And then spoon these salsa refried beans all over the chips. Get it all in there. Yeah. Yum. And then top with the rest of our cheese. Now, this recipe calls for 4 ounces of pepper jack because I like it. Use what makes you happy. Do more cheese, do less cheese. I mean, you can, but I don't recommend that necessarily. But if you want to, it's okay. I'm not judging you. But yeah, all the cheese. And then lastly, we're just gonna go ahead and top this with some green onions. Don't wanna lose any of that cheese. All right, this little tray of goodness is gonna go into the oven. Actually, it's gonna go under the broiler, and it's gonna cook until the cheese is nice and bubbly and gooey. So yeah. While our nachos are in the oven, under the broiler, going to mix together a little lime juice with some sour cream, just so it's drizzleable. And it also adds like an extra little tang. I like things nice and bright. Oh yeah, these look fantastic. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put on our extra toppings. Oh, sour cream drizzle first. Making a mess, per usual. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. And then I have some avocado that I've already chopped up. Some tomatoes. Keep it nice and fresh and bright. And then lastly, for you cilantro lovers, all the cilantro. Again, if you don't like cilantro, that's cool. We're still friends. It's fine. I have one more thing I want to add. These are my favorite jalapenos. They are sweet hot jalapenos from Trader Joe's, pickled jalapenos. Use them or don't. Use regular ones. It's all good. Use what makes you happy. All right, these look fantastic. And if you love cheesy goodness as much as I do, make sure to check out my my queso dip for 2 recipe right here. It's fantastic. All right, let's dig in. Gotta get that perfect bite. Not that one. I love this guy. Jalapeno, little avocado, little tomato.